Hello, dear viewers. Hope all of you are well. Today, I will show you that from the Fiverr marketplace, uh, how you can withdraw the dollar to your direct local bank. For the first time, if you want to transfer your dollar to your local bank, you have to go your profile here and switch to selling. You have to search that login profile picture, switch to selling and earning. I already done. I show again switch to buying, and it will be show switch to selling and switch to selling. You can click here switch to selling. That will be switch to buy. In that positions, you have to go your my business here earning, or you can go here by billing payment, or you can click here any options you can choose. So if I go billing payment, that will be show here payment methods. Here you can add credit card here credit card, and also add payment method here and PayPal. So in some cases PayPal is not supported. For the reasons I will show direct local bank. For the reasons you have to go to your dashboard and my business earnings, and then you have to click withdraw balance. If you click withdraw balance and add payment method, so I didn't add payment method. First time I withdraw on the Fiverr. For the reasons I have to add payment method. So if we add payment method, that options will become and show it to you. And now you can click verify SMS or verify the call. So you are trying to add a payment payout method. Choose a verification method so we can make sure is you. Okay? So I choose SMS, verify by SMS. Here I am choosing. So they will give into a code. They're calling to me. Let's see. Yeah. Receipt.
হলো 8367 আপনার কোডটি হলো 8367
Okay, they're given to me that code. I'll submit it now. Here, 8 payout method. So if you click 8 payout method, they will put into 3 of PayPal and also bank transfer. So I choose bank transfer. Okay, and I choose bank transfer and then continue. So you are almost there. Got it. I click that is payout method. Okay. So I add the payout method. So after then, Fiverr ensure that if you confirm that direct that bank as you or others, for the reasons they given to you email from Fiverr. Here you are looking Fiverr. Confirm your bank transfer info for Fiverr. Here I click. Here you are looking. You have added new bank transfer info. Hi Maraknas. Thanks for adding bank transfer as a payout method for your Fiverr account. This means any funds you withdraw from now on will be sent to the bank account. There are just a few more steps to finish setting up your payout method. So here you can continue. Here whenever you refresh, that method will be gone. Okay, we are selecting Payooner account here, and you can continue. You're almost there. Finish your registrations by clicking the link. Will send it. Okay, they send us an email confirmation for your Payooner account. Here is the email. You are watching. Click here. You added a new Payooner account. continue. Payooner sign up, individual company. So I have already account. For the reasons we didn't sign in. Okay, you can sign here. So we didn't sign in. Click here. Already have a Payooner account. And that's on my account. I click here. Okay, and then you had added a new funding source to your Payooner account. Okay, so here is it. You already done. You have successfully submitted your Payooner application. You will get email as soon as you accept. You will get an email as soon as you accept. When you go, you can get an email. Here is it, the Payooner account. You can receive payment from Fiverr. Okay, you can click here. Here is it. Welcome. We happy to let you know that your constant Fiverr Payooner account. This integration enables you to receive payments from Fiverr directly to the USD balance in Payooner account. Sign to your Payooner account. Now, view activity and funding sources are global payment services. Okay, you can sign in here. Lucky, linking with Fiverr. Okay, if you go there account, you can refresh it. Here, your transfer to Payooner account. Now you can transfer. If you click confirm and intro, then that dollar will be transferred to Payooner account. So